Commissioner Bat Secretary Tnad Bording jang Khuborjylla Sanjay Goyal uloong Tnad kalapelong ya kejing to akit amtang hakikat tu kat ni kejaka Henry Habaro ki benta jang cooperation ban lap ya ki beriu ki badon keti bantu ya ke Bording. Habakren bikilat pathai Khubor Sanjay Goyal uloong bikila don Tnad to akit ke bateri amtang hakikat tu kat ni kejaka Henry Habaro ke cooperation. Shu loong begini kadi ke kam ke bakile man kasngi namar ka wanra ya ke Jingdon nong ke bakrau ya ke cooperation.
Investigation wing, not only in the DF areas which are just very small areas, in the entire corporation, we do this as a routine and daily kind of activity because this is a direct loss to the corporation. And through you, I would like to again appeal to the public that those who are the genuine consumers, they face the problem because of these kinds of illegal practices by a very few of them. I'll say that it's not very common. It is happening in certain areas. We are taking up the activities which are mandated to us under the law. The Electricity Act allows us to take action against such kind of individuals who are allowed into illegal theft of the electricity. This is not allowed under law. It brings loss to the corporation, and at the side by side when the corporation is at loss, it brings more financial burden on the genuine consumers, because somewhere somebody is sort of like getting impacted. So I mean, this is a practice. We have our investigation wing. We keep on checking these kinds of illegal activities, if you name it so, and then we raise the compensation bill also. People pay it also.